Greetings from Body Sculpt. This is Dr. Vikram from Chandigarh. I'm going to tell you about gynecomastia and the treatments available for it and the technique which we are using, which is like the third generation treatment for gynecomastia. Let's talk about what exactly is gynecomastia. Gynecomastia is the abnormal enlargement of the male chest which starts looking like baggy breast. This could be because of some medications, this could be because of some imbalance in the hormones, or it could be because of some extra hormones which are being taken along with protein shakes, or when the person is given such hormones for some other disease treatment. Once the male chest has been developed, apart from when it is during the teen ages, it doesn't go back its cells normally. However, the most common cause, which is the teenage physiological gynecomastia, it gets treated, it sells automatically in most of the cases. Any residual gynecomastia, any residual enlargement of breast, which might be unilateral or bilateral, might be on one side or on both the sides, can now be easily treated by a keyhole surgery in which there are hardly any stitches. In 90% of cases, we don't put any stitches. In some cases where we need to remove the nipple amount to reduce the size of the areola, over there we might require some absorbable sutures which hardly leave any scar visible to the others. We put one or two small holes, 2 to 3 millimeter holes, or maybe 4 to 5 millimeter single hole, through which we are able to emulsify the gland as well as the fat and suck it out and give hardly any scar to the patient and a perfectly shaped chest within a couple of weeks. The patient comes to us in the morning, and on the same day after he has been declared fit by the anesthetist, after seeing his blood test, he is operated, and by the evening he can go home. And after that he has to wear a pressure garment for up to 6 weeks, but the chest takes its shapes by and large normally by around 2 weeks of the surgery. The surgery lasts for 40 to 45 minutes and is hardly having any complications apart from minor bleeding, minor bruising, or maybe a bit of asymmetry in the chest, which is very normal in even normal human chest. The postoperative course includes some of the antibiotics for 5 to 7 days, some painkillers which might be required for 1 or 2 days, restriction of heavy exercise for 3 weeks, and normal exercise for maybe 10 days to 2 weeks. Very heavy exercise involving the pectorals or the chest we avoid for up to 6 weeks after the surgery. The dressings are removed on 3 to 4th day after the surgery, and then the patient can take care of it himself at home. We provide the tourism facility, the medical tourism facility for patients from abroad also, where the surgical cost is very high and the treatment is not at par with what it is at our centers. The patient can contact me through their website or through my phone number, and we can arrange the stay as well as some tourism if they want to visit a few places around Chandigarh in Punjab and hill stations nearby if they wish to. We've done this for many celebrities who are into singing, who are into movies, who are into TV serials, and they're all happy. And when I see them on the TV, I can hardly see any scars or any abnormality in their shape. This can be done along with the liposuction of tummy and also double chin, or maybe some Botox, some fillers, or any other surgery which the patient wants to be done along with this. Thank you so much.